Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Cruizr Rotating and Vibrating Automatic Masturbator. So let's get started. So this masturbator is a very discreet masturbator which provides wonderful up and down motions and a spinning rotation as well, providing intense stimulation. You can use this masturbator as part of your own foreplay with your partner, or you can even use it solo. Here are some useful measurements of this masturbator. So the inner length of this masturbator sleeve is 12.9 centimeters, and the inner diameter of the masturbator is 4.4 centimeters. So if we remove the cap like so, we can have a look at the silicone sleeve. It has a realistic vagina opening. The material is made of a soft silicone material and is filled with nubs on the inside for a very stimulating texture. There's ridges on the side of the masturbator here, which means it's really easy to grip while in use. Now, this masturbator comes equipped with 5 different speeds and 10 different rotation settings, so there's lots to choose from and combine as well. You can choose from 5 speeds or even 10 vibration modes, so you can mix and match between the two and create your own fantastic pleasure time. So, to turn on this masturbator, we're going to use the bottom button here with the wiggly line. Press and hold down for 3 seconds. Now, although you can't hear anything, it's a very discreet masturbator, but the vibrations are on. To switch between the different vibrations, click on the same button and decide which ones are for you. To activate the rotation settings, we're going to click on the second button. It will go in a helical spinning motion. As you can see, it spins. Now, to change the settings, simply click on the same button and see how far you're willing to go. To turn it off, press and hold down. And to turn off the vibrations, press and hold down on the same button as well. This masturbator also has a warming function, which gives you a more realistic sensation. Now, the warming function can take 15 to 20 minutes to warm up, so it will not be instant. This masturbator also comes with a sexy, sultry female voice. It's really simple and easy to use. Along with your masturbator is a pair of headphones. To insert them, pop them in at the top of the masturbator like so, which gives you a more discreet experience. And simply press and hold on the button just here. A light will flash and you can hear the female voice through the headphones. To turn it off, simply press and hold down for 3 seconds and it's now off. For more tips and tricks on how to use this masturbator, you can find the user manual through this QR code on the back of your packaging. Simply scan it with your mobile phone and it will take you through to the Cruizr user manual for this product. Here it's available in 8 languages and you can also find things like what's included in this package, size and specifications, how to use, how to clean, and much, much more. It's really handy for your knowledge. This masturbator is also included with a special suction cup holder, so you can enjoy this in various different positions. At the very end of the masturbator is a screw. Using the screw at the top of the cup holder, we're going to screw it in place. Now make sure it's screwed on tightly, otherwise it has a chance of falling off. Once it's on, you can choose what position you want it to be in. Once you've discovered your position, make sure to screw it on tightly and using the lever just here, simply push all the way to the other side like so and it will stay in place. Now it's time to charge your masturbator. Included is a USB charging cable which is magnetic. You can find the charging point at the bottom of the masturbator with 2 dots. Attach them like so and it will charge quickly and easily for you. The approximate charging time of this masturbator is 180 minutes. Now it's time to clean our masturbator. So step 1 is to remove the cap like so. Next, we're going to unscrew the top bit here, which is the blue bit and the vagina opening. Next, we're going to pull out the stimulator just like so. It has a little magnet at the bottom just here, so make sure you gently pull it out and don't do it too strenuously. Next, we need to take the silicone sleeve out of this little case. So you're gently going to push up the little bars like so and remove it. Then you have access to the silicone sleeve. Gently pull it out like so and make sure to remove the vibrating bullet as well, which is encased in the sleeve. So it should be completely out whilst cleaning. Now, when using the sleeve, we recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water, or alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. Make sure the sleeve is completely dry before using again. As you can see, the stimulator has lots of stimulating nubs. You cannot remove the silicone sleeve from this casing, so make sure to clean it with lukewarm water and toy cleaner as well, and just let it dry. Now it's time to pop it back together. So we're going to put the silicone sleeve back into the casing, and we're also going to put the bullet vibrator back in as well. So make sure the bullet case is in the same area as it was before, and we're going to gently push the silicone sleeve back into the casing like so, until it's completely at the bottom and it's around the edges evenly. You can always adjust if needed. Next, we're going to put the little bullet vibrator through the bullet hole. Gently do this and it will slowly go in. Make sure the bullet vibrator is completely enclosed in the silicone, so it should look something like this. Next, we're going to put the little silver cap back on. Make sure the silicone sleeve is pushed all the way around. And make sure you hear a click on all 4 sides. And it's ready. Next, we're going to pop it back into the masturbator, gently like so. Then we're going to put back on our cap first and screw it into place like so. And last but not least, the final cap, and it's ready to use again next time. Now, when cleaning this masturbator, make sure you do not completely submerge it in water, as this can damage the electronics. If you feel that perhaps the outside of the masturbator needs a quick clean, you can use a slightly damp cloth, and this is all it will need. And that is the Cruizr rotating and vibrating automatic masturbator. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.